We are in front of David Weekley Homes. They are a top-rated builder in the area. This is Palmetto, Florida, south of Tampa. This new community is a master plan development called Coasterra. And this area has Cardell Homes and David Weekley. Right now we're going through the most popular floor plan of David Weekley. One thing I love about David Weekley Homes is the fact that they're not just a big box builder. They will take the time to do it right. And if they delay your closing, which isn't frequent, but if they do, you know that they have a good reason to do it because they want the home to be right. They're not just focused on numbers, they really want the clients to be happy in their homes. So this home floor plan is called the Gilbert. It is by far their top selling in this community so far. It is a single story floor plan. Let's go take a look. In here, I love this flex space. You have an office or another living room. Could be a hangout room, but this is towards the front of the house. So it's nice to have visitors in there and you don't feel like they have to stay all day, I always say. This is an open floor plan, so it's flexible space, flowing right in from the front bedrooms and the office. Nice space for a formal dining room entertaining, flowing seamlessly into the kitchen with new updated outlets. A lot of builders do not have these with the USB ports and the USB-C charger, but David Weekley has outdid themselves and updated the little things. Notice the nice high modern baseboards. They do have a light coastal look for the vinyl plank flooring. They've got the most modern whirlpool here. And again, these do have different packages and incentives for building. They all have undermount large farmhouse sinks, large islands. A lot of them have a butler pantry or a separate wet bar. This has kind of an open pantry, which is nice, very convenient, out of sight from the guests, but easy while you're cooking. Even separate outlets in here. I see 4 outlets. Then you do have another outlet on this side as well. And this is a gas community, which is nice. There's not a lot of communities in Florida that do have gas appliances, so that is an added bonus. Over here, we'll head to the back, where they have very private primary suite here. Room for additional seating, sofas, a little morning coffee with a nice view out to the back. Also has an extremely large bathroom entering into the closet. You've got his and hers sinks here. Lovely details. Separate water closet here for privacy. And then flowing on into the shower, you've got the handle right there in the little shower niche so that you can turn on water again effortlessly without getting soaked. Plenty of room for bench seats or other preparations. Going right into your walk-in closet. Now this is what I call a closet. What I love about this is that it's tile flooring as well, so it's easy to clean. Yes, carpet is a noise reducer, but for single-story family homes, tile is very nice for an easy clean, and that's something that they've done very well here. They've got a pass-through here, so you can go into the kitchen, living spaces. This is being used as a game room. Lots of space for hangouts. You can make this a school room, an office. What I like is the pass-through hallway, so it's right off the primary. It is connected to the rest of the house, but it does give you a little bit of privacy and it feels softer and quieter in this room. Out here, you've got a nice pool with a little pond water view overlook. They've added a water fountain Notice along here you've got your French drain so that if any water were to overflow, it would not go towards the house. Very nice feature. You've got some overhang, and they've added surround sound out here, but you've got plenty of space for grilling, getting together, out of the sun, and then for all those who want the nice mosquito and bug-free lanai, you've got plenty of space out here on this beautiful outdoor pool and patio area. Now again, the pool does not come with the house unless you buy the model with it, but that is an option, and they've done a lovely job making it a nice hangout space to soak up the sun, because who in Florida doesn't want to soak up the sun while bathing in the water? They have very intentionally laid out things to flow from the primary suite to the outside. They've made separate spaces, but they've also made it very open. Everybody has a space. They have the pass-through off the primary into the flex space in the game room. And of course, you can see outside to the hangout pool area. If you're thinking about making a move to Palmetto and going to the Coasterra neighborhood, this is an excellent choice for a home. This single-story floor plan is by far their most popular in this community, and we can see why. While being very open concept, it has a lot of separate spaces, and it feels very uniform and cozy.